Okay, Carolyn, look at Mommy.
Yes.
Carolyn wrote her first book. Carolyn, can you tell me what the book is?
The little bird who lost his mother.
Okay. Where's the first page?
This one. Once upon a time there was a nest on a branch, a little egg. A mama bird can't wait to make it hatch. And Mama bird's gonna find food for her baby. Mama bird is so worried about her baby, and she say, "Oh no, my baby," says Mama bird. Baby bird is trying to find. He fell down. He couldn't fly. And little bird look up. That's his mom! And Daddy bird come. The little bird found his mom. It's up and in the tree. And the little bird loves his mother. Could I watch the movie?
Is that the end?
Yeah.
Good job, Carolyn.
Mommy, can I watch the movie?